So, New Year's Eve. Say hi.
Hello. Hey, what's up, you guys? Hello.
Megan. And that's Kristen. We are making ourselves some pizzas here. Kristen's is a perfect circle, as usual. Oh, you're so cute. Megan's is...
It's whatever it feels like.
It's an amoeba. Lexi's is the biggest pizza you will ever see. It's like a pizza boat. And then me and Kylie over here doing some expressionist art called just letting the dough do whatever it wants. Yeah, it's beautiful,
It's beautiful.
Absolutely gorgeous. I'm doing the self-portrait. That's what it is.
It looks just like me, right?
Exactly. Come on.
I mean, oops. Uncanny.
It doesn't look like a pig.
Am I just?
Well, anyway, I guess I'll show the pizzas again once we have them
Completed.
Yes.
Well, right before they go in the oven.
Yeah, right before they go in the oven, and then when they come out of the oven and they're looking hot. Hot and sexy.
Like you.
What?
Like me, yeah. Okay.
I want a piece of that.
Wow, you're so funny.
This is Kylie's. I think this is my father's.
That's
That's mine. And this is Megan's. And then I think Kristen's and Lexi's are in the oven.
Yes.
So we'll see them when they come out. Oh wow, that's Lexi's.
Oh.
And then Kristen's is in darkness, but she's in there. She is in there.
Oh, yes.
Alright, well, I'll show the pizzas when I get I'll show the pizzas when they get it.
You're disgusting.
I know.
Yeah, she's done.
Oh my god, look at it! Look at the bubbles.
It's like, what's that guy from Under the Sea? The two eyeballs?
Yeah. Stingray? It looks like a melted snowman.
The crab.
Sebastian.
No, flounder.
No, I'm thinking SpongeBob SquarePants.
Oh, that flounder that's
Whatever
like
that
flat.
thing is. Yes.
Yeah. Alright.
Make way for my pizza.
I'm not even sure how to deliver this to you.
It looks like a melted snow.
Oh my god,
Thank
it's
you.
beautiful. That is huge.
I know. I
his
really
eyeballs
stretched
are
it out.
He's deflated.
Live! Oh wow. Those are beautiful.
Thank
Welcome. So, Kristen's pizza is perfect.
Wait, but take a picture of it.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
Wow.
Give us a grand tour.
Well, here we have the spilled cheese. This is the entrance of the pizza.
Lava fall.
Yes. We have the 4 tomatoes that are accompanied by the singular mushroom.
Yes. One tried to escape.
One tried to escape, but then it nearly died.
Like, oh, this is a hot mess.
Yeah, it's a hot mess. And over here we have the really big bulgy sides that are really thick. So if you want a thick, you can have my pizza.
Wow.
Let the 74th Hunger Games begin!
May the odds be ever in your favor. Oh, this is gross.
This looks
Well,
beautiful.
it's beautiful, and I'm really excited to eat it.
Now, there's an advertisement.
Here is my beautiful monster of a pizza. Yum yum. Good job, Kristen.
We have 3 minutes.
Oh yeah, sing into the new year.
Floss into the new year, like
Millie Bobby Brown.
I am tripping.
2 minutes.
I don't want 2018 to end. We're all saying like we don't like 2019.
We don't like 2019.
We love 2018.
2018 is so nice.
I'm out of breath.
Guys, oh my god, we have a minute! Guys, we legit have a minute! Oh, minute! 1 minute left! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Oh man. Okay, we got it ready! 1, 2, 3!
Oh my god.
Are you roasting my Titanic?
Like, wake up! Woo! Ew, why are they kissing like that? That's so disgusting. I hate that. Should just make out. Happy New Year!
I'm gonna stop this now.
Happy New Year,
Happy New Year, everyone!
2019.
2019. Alright.
Stay. Okay. There's overexposed highlights in the background. Hello, people. Today I am very sick. I have a cold. And I just feel like death. Yeah, I look like death too. I was about to say, hey, at least I'm looking like a snack, but we still look like death. This is my 4th cup of tea today, and it's currently 1:37 in the afternoon. and I only woke up at 1. So I've had 4 cups of tea within not even an hour. Like, as soon as I'm done with 1 cup of tea, my throat starts to bother me again. So then I'm like, oh, I need another one. So I quickly go and get another. And it's like I'm chugging it down because it's like it helps my throat. But then I'm drinking so much tea. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to piss this all out. Wow. Yeah, we're having a good time. Also, I'm home alone today, so I've been left to fend for myself. AKA, I have to make my own meals. So right now, I'm just boiling myself some soup. Well, right now, I'm just boiling water to make myself some soup. It's just this stuff. It comes in a packet, and you just dump it in the boiling water. So, not that hard. About as much as I can do. I am an expert chef. I'm an expertise chef. I don't know what that was. Oh my god, why does water take forever to boil? I'm just sitting here watching it. You know, when they say, oh, you're not supposed to, like, watching a pot never... Wait, what's the expression? Oh yeah, it's a watched pot never boils. Well, I think that's true because I'm just sitting here watching it and it looks like it's getting close. It's steaming a lot, but it's just not getting there. I hate waiting. I'm a really impatient person. It's me gata. Hello, Daisy. Who's my baby? Come on. Come here, my little baby. No. She's so cute. Come here. Come here, cutie. That's my cutie patootie. Oh my god, you're so cute. This is my cute little cat. Oh, sorry. No, you can't run away from me. I'm going to catch you. I'm on one leg here. One leg, I got my legs and then I'm just trying to crawl with one arm. That's impossible. Okay. Oh, I should not have chased after my cat. Drink more tea, Shannon, drink more tea. Tea helps. I think this is getting close to boiling. Yeah, I'm gonna just call this good enough. Timer. Is that good? Is that? Yeah. Okay. Who just left an egg there? That's cool. Stir, stir, stir the soup. Stir it all the time. I'm a professional. BRB. I don't know if I'm gonna film myself while I'm eating. Smell you later. We have mail. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm a 5-year-old. I got some markers for myself. This is actually a lot heavier. Oh my god, this is so much heavier than I thought it would be. Look at the cat food on the counter. I've been watching a lot of videos on YouTube, as per usual, and I discovered this thing called bullet journaling, which just looks like so aesthetically pleasing, and I'm like, I want to try it. So for the new year, like to try and get my life more organized, because that's like the one thing. For a New Year's resolution, like I always say, I want to try and be more organized, and it never happens. So I'm hoping that by doing this, I can actually somehow achieve that this year. So I got this for myself off Amazon and I'm really excited. I hope that I can keep up with it because I'm bad at keeping up with stuff. Because like it's also like nice to look at. If you do it right, I feel like I'm not going to be able to really do it. So maybe I'll get frustrated and give up. But hopefully that won't happen and hopefully I can have an organized life this year, you know? But yeah, I'm excited. Oh my god, what a beaut. Just the box. Oh my god, I love packaging in boxes. It's so pretty. Oh my lord. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Okay. Look at how pretty this is. Girl, we gotta find you light. Also, I got a pastel pink one because like, hello, I'm a pink kind of gal. I love pink. It's so pretty. Mwah, me kissing my bug. I'm so excited. I just want to start right now. Maybe I should. I'm home alone and I'm bored. That's cute. I'm excited. I hope that this actually helps me get my life together. It'll definitely take up a lot of my time. That's the only thing about it. I'm like, oh my god, like, am I even gonna have the time to do it? But I think that if I do, I think that if I do take the time to do this, that it will help me, hopefully, organize my life. As I keep saying, I really want to start right now. Maybe I will. I should. Okay. Smell you later, skater.
Oh shit, it's so filming.
You can break my heart in two when it heals, it beats for you.
You're stuck in my head and I can get you out of it. I can do it all again.
I know I'd go back to you.
As soon as we start dancing.
Breakdancing? How do you want?
I'll pull it up.
You were like coughing to your sleep and then Lemon was like,
Ew, yeah, I know. That's why I just coughed and I tried to spit anything into my hand. Ew. Gross.
relatable things.
Relatable things. Let me pretend to be Shannon for a second. Hey guys, so just kidding.
Oh, let's turn this down then. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Oh god, I'm trying to fix my hair. Did I just whip you?
No, I think he's banged your head.
Oh, okay. I don't have enough space to do this. What do I do? We just went out to lunch. Kylie got to meet my friend Zach from college.
Yeah.
Shout out to Zach. He lives in New Jersey, but he was on the island today picking up some instrument. Some bass.
Some instrument.
So yeah, did that, and then he was like, hey, while I'm out here, you want to meet up and get some lunch? I'm like, okay, cool. And you can meet Kylie. Okay, let's get home. So yeah, it was a fun day.
Fun day.
And then me and Kylie got acai bowls.
Yes, we did. You're good that way.
What? It's
Either way.
Okay,
Maybe
good.
go out that way.
yeah. Left
Oh shoot.
I love this song.
The clubs are getting
This is like the one Justin Bieber song that I
This way.
love. This way.
Yeah, this song is good.
And I discovered it's because Ed Sheeran helped
Of
him write the
course.
song. I'm like, of course that's why I
course.
love the song, because Ed Sheeran helped him.
Wow, I feel like I'm vlogging. Oh my god, guys, hey! I would not want to vlog.
I love vlogging.
I like being in vlogs, but I wouldn't want to be the center of the vlogging experience.
I like being the center of attention, so.
Yeah, we know.
I like attention. Because I was lacking it as a child, so now I gotta make up for it as I'm older.
Oh, see, mom and dad, watch this. Her mom and dad.
Better sleeping on my own, 'cause if you like.
Make it go straight.
Okay, make it go straight.
Make it go straight. You're
There's
good.
a lot of traffic.
A lot of traffic.
Holy moly, man. I don't think I've had any water.
Would you like my would you like my gross tap water?
I'll take a sip of it.
Okay, fountain it.
Yeah, because I'm
Because you're more sick than me.
How does one do this?
I can't even zoom in.
Talent. Oh god. Oh, that's disgusting.
Who's calling me? Islip. I'm in Islip. Let's listen. Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Come on. Hello? Oh shit, I'm muted. Hello? Oh, they hung up.
Oh well.
I thought those rocks were chickens. Like turkeys.
Look at all them chickens.
Look at all them chickens. Let's just film me. No. Are you untightening your belt for me there?
Wait, what'd you say?
I said, are you undoing your belt for me? Because you missed the joke.
Yeah,
Watch it later.
okay.
Right. Here? Can you, nope, keep going.
Okay.
Keep going. This thing's messed up. Sorry. Okay, keep going straight.
Okay.
And then you're gonna make a left at the next left. What? No, it's a turn right? What? Oh my god! This rerouted me like 12 times.
Wait a minute, pull in here. Ooh, that's pretty.
Ooh, let's go live here for a little.
God.
Look where God took us. Oh, mommy's home.
Did you guys make dinner like I asked you to? Okay, we're going out again because you just didn't make dinner for us, so we're gonna be eating out. Do your laundry while I'm gone. When I'm done, I want it folded and put away, okay? Mommy loves you.
Making myself crazy. Hoping it would save me. Wow, look at you, look like a race car driver. I done myself.
Don't let it make you left
To kick him out again. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. When should I end this?
I don't know. Kylie's like, I'm over it.
I'm like, I'm over it.
Carpool karaoke with James Corden.
Yes! Oh my god. There we go. I got it. Look.
Hey, good job. I'm proud
Thank
of
you. Thank you so much.
Good job, babe.
Thanks, babe. Wow, this is how YouTubers work.
Yeah, the life of a YouTuber.
Like, that's like gets me entertaining for so long.
Look what you done.
should play a song that we can like, that can be entertaining, that we can like sing the whole thing to.
Dear Evan Hansen, we've been way too out of touch. Things have been crazy, and it sucks that we don't talk that much. But I should tell you that I think of you each night. I rub my nipples and start moaning with delight.
Why would you write that? I'm just trying to tell the truth. These be perfect. These emails have to prove that we were actually friends. Just, I'll do it.
I gotta tell you, life without ya has been hard. Hard? Has been bad.
Bad? Kinky. Very specific. Shut up.
I love my parents, but each day's another fight.
Smoking, drug, just fix it.
If I stop smoking crack.
Crack?
If I stop smoking pot, then everything might be alright. Cause all that it takes is a little intervention and your attention. Sincerely me.
Oh my god.
Dear Connor Murphy, yes, I also miss our talks. And just try to take deep breaths and go on walks. No, absolutely not. Dude, I'm proud of you. Just keep pushing through. You're turning around, I can see. Sincerely, my sister's hot. What the hell, my bad. Dear Connor Murphy, I'm just glad to be your friend. But not because we're gay. No, not because we're gay. We're close, but not that way. The only man that I love is my dad. Hey, 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 hey! Reinvention. All you gotta do is just believe you can be who you wanna be. Sincerely, miss you dearly. Sincerely, me. Sincerely, me. Sincerely, me. I'm gonna end the vlog. Alright, bye. Bye.
Hi guys, I just finished editing this vlog and I just wanted to quickly say thank you for watching, if anyone is watching this. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and just remember that it is 5 o'clock somewhere. Okay, bye.